In this video, we are going to learn how to save the model in the LMS portal. In the web browser, log in lms.ai.savito.ac.in. So you have to log in with your username and password. Enter to the course which is of engineering design and modeling. When you scroll down under the unit 1, sketching and drafting of points, lines and plane, you will find exercise number 1.1. Here design and draft the given 2D sketch in modeling software. Click on the link and you'll have a page like this, and below the exercise 1.1 you'll have a link which is of GitHub. Click on the link, you'll be taken into another page where you can find exercise number 1.1, the entire aim, requirement, procedure, sketch on output. So here in output it is blank. So this is where we need to upload our output image. In order to upload it in the GitHub, what you have to do is we need to sign up. So get into the sign up page. It will ask you to enter an email. You can give your own personal email here. So once you have entered your email, you can just click continue. So create a password, create a strong password. It is asking for me to enter the username, so I'll enter the user 035. So it is asking would you like to receive product updates announcements, so just click Y. We need to verify it, click on verify option. So match this particular angle for the image given. You can use the arrowhead to place in the exact direction. Click on submit. The verification is completed. Click create account. We need to enter the code which we got in our email. So copy the code from your Gmail and just paste it. So once the verification is done, it will ask you how many team members you're working with. You can just 2 to 5 or 5 to 10. You can enter the class strength. So our class strength is like 50 plus. And are you a student or teacher? And then what specific features are you interested in using? So whichever is suitable for you, you can just pick on that particular options and then click continue. You can either click continue for free or keep personalization. Now our dashboard is created. We have signed up. When you click here, you can find you are now logged into the github.com. You can use a new page. Open your LMS portal, log in with your username and password, and get into the course of engineering design and modeling. Now you can click the exercise 1.1 and save the link. Now if you see you're logged in using your account into this, we need to upload the output image here. So whatever diagram you have saved, it will be in PDF. Open the PDF file, exercise number 1. So now I currently have this exercise number 8. I'll show the demo with this exercise, but you have to check for your first exercise diagram. You can either use print screen option or you can use the snip tool. I have a tool in my lab. Go for snipping tool, search for the option, click the new option. So we are going to take a screenshot of our diagram. Once the page turns black, you can select whichever image you want to save. Select the portion, the image, then go for Control S option, or you have the save option. Save it and name it as exercise. Sorry, this file will be saved in PNG format. Either you can use the snip tool or you can go with the option like print screen, save it in PNG or JPEG. Now get back to the GitHub page. You'll have an option, check whether you have signed in. Go for, now we can upload the output image. So you can click on add file, click on this option, then go for create a new. So when you click on the create a new folder, here you'll find this option called an edit tool. The edit tool, and you just scroll in the output. We need to paste the image. Go to your desktop or wherever folder you have saved it. Open up the image. Use Control S option. Use Control C option. So you're going to copy the image and then paste it in the coding. Click your cursor below the output. Then use Control V, pasting option. It shows the file is empty. Need to do it again. Open the image and Control V. So once I've done done, see the coding is generated. Copy it and paste. Once it is done, you can use the commit changes. Just save it. If you want, you could rename it. Otherwise, now if you scroll down and check whatever output I have saved will be reflected. Image is not matching. It for demo I have uploaded the exercise 8, but you have to like upload the corresponding image file. So now the file is being saved. This particular exercise 1.1, use the Control C and then use Control P for directly take to top. In the destination, you can switch over to save as PDF. Under the more option setting, scroll down and select selection one. So when you go with this on whatever like will be reflected. There is saved, and also here you could find the username whatever you have created will be reflected. Process will help to make individual submission. Check once and then you can go with save your in the deck or any particular exercise 1 point. So exercise 1.1 PDF, the entire document is saved along with aim, requirement, procedure, and the input file, and then the out file result. Once it is saved, two things you have to do. One is like you have to again log in with this lms.ai.with.in, get into the course down and then select the exercise 1 point. So when you scroll down, instead clicking on the link, when you scroll down here, it for me it shows like view all submission. For the student versions, it will ask you to add the submission. There you can go with add submission option. So while submitting, it will ask you to enter the link. So you have to save the link whichever you have created at the end. So like you have to save two things while adding the submission. One is the PDF file which we have generated, the entire document PDF file. You have to upload it. You have to copy the submission link, this particular link. So you have to copy the submission link, use Ctrl C option and then paste it in the box. While submitting, you just check whether you have included the link as well as the PDF which you have. So here is a sample of us which he has. So this is the first page. There is output. This is how everyone have to do for all the exercise. Time when you do it, it may look it like a process, but you will get used to it. Once it is done, you can go with exercise 1.2. Do the same process. Click on the link. Say you'll be taken to another page where you have to add the fork. So here you have to create a new fork. Then here you have so you have to create a fork and then go with this edit option. Scroll down, come to your output page. So here you have to first convert the PDF file into the image format and then use control V. While doing that, when you use the Control C, Control Z example, if this is your copy it and paste it below the out. Once you paste it, it will take few minutes and then you will find image. Once it is done, you can use the images and scroll down and check whether whatever image you have loaded is being saved. So once it is done, you have to open up the login into the particular course, come down. You have done in the GitHub. So exercise 1.1, 1.2, similarly 2.12. When you scroll down, 3, whatever exercise you have completed so far, you have to upload two things. One is the GitHub image. After saving the file from the exercise heading, you have to copy everything, use Control C or then followed by Control P will take you to the print of. In destination, you change it to save as PDF, and then when you go to this mode setting, you'll have selected alone will be highlighted. Save the PDF, that PDF file and the link whichever you have created, GitHub link. So copy the link as well as the PDF, upload it. Tell them any doubts you have, post it in the comment box. We'll try to